Hey guys. So, welcome back to another Danger Zone video. And I'm just letting you know that next week, I will be starting Minecraft again. It will be a new series. I will be putting Minecraft videos up on December 8th. And I also will the series will be called The Pillage and Village Up. No, it's part of that. The series will be called The Takeover Era. And you can tell me in the comment section if you like this, but it's gonna be a story of me just waking up in this new update. And the Council of Villages is gonna send a letter to me to defeat this king. And I'll be on the quest to defeat the king and check out all the new features. Without further ado, let's get into Sorry that's so dark. Okay. I have 166 XP, but how? I haven't even done that much, really. Oh, I got one. Oh boy. Wait. That's good music. Guessing that means it's still nighttime. Let's see. Hear that? Oh, flipped. Oh, I didn't mean that. Sorry. What? I don't know what the heck that scary noise was. The light hasn't updated yet. It's updated. Sorry that this is so boring. I have to wait out the night. I don't know. Maybe I should do this off camera. What's the sound? I heard. Well, I guess this is gonna be a very short episode. Fortunately. Well, yes, that's the end of this episode. I know that you probably did enjoy this episode, but I promise that when it's daytime again, it will become more interesting. And make sure to subscribe, not for this video, of course, but for the upcoming future videos. And we gotta figure out what that sound is. I'm kind of wondering what that sound is. Made the rest of Stone Tools today as well. But I'm updating everything here. Takes a long time